Come on, let's go. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Woo! Hey! How's it? Can you see yourself? Pretty good?
Yep.
Good view? Good angle? Okay. Alright guys. Fancy my bike. 70 kickstands down. It's been a while since I've been on a bike, so don't judge me, please. Also, this is 70 dirham, which is like $7 US for the rest of the day. Like 4 hours or 5 hours or something like that. I'm gonna take you through the mean streets of the Medina. Medina, yeah, the Medina. It's just means the oldest part of the city. It's really cool. It's like, Justin, you remember how big this is? This area is? It's like a walled mini city within the city. Pretty huge. A lot of alleyways. There we go. Going through these alleyways leading through the shops. Oh, all right, I'm gonna get a little wiggly here because it's pretty tight squeeze. And again, I haven't rode a bike for years, so this should be fun. Hey, my friend. How you doing? Want to take this left? I've never been this way. A lot of cats. This actually, we can go, if we turn right, we can go towards like where they sell everything. Food, candy, snacks, clothes, art. It's pretty cool, but it's pretty crowded right now. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Thank you, my friend. Hey, man. Can we go through here?
Yes.
Cut through there? Thank you.
C'est interdit ici.
Par contre,
hey, there we go. This is where we want to go. So if you look that way, it's just a long street. No cars are allowed in the Medina. Just bikes and motorbikes, which is pretty cool and nice. You don't have to worry about getting hit by a car. Seeing how crazy they drive here. Yeah, we're gonna head to the local spots where the locals live and go and chill. Maybe see a market or two out there. Also, you can find a lot of the same stuff outside of Medina for a lot cheaper. Damn it! I hit a rock. Who put that rock there? It just came out of nowhere, Justin. Listen, guys, it's my first time on a bike in years, like I said, so. As long as I don't hit somebody, you know, I'm happy with that. I'll hit rocks all day, dude. Alright, Jess. Which way? Want to go through here? The left? Explore further down where we explored yesterday? Or last night, I should say, right? We were here last night, pretty lively. A lot of fruit stands. Lovely city. Friendly. Hey! A lot better than walking. Justin's been trying to convince me to get a bike for a while. I'm just like, nah, let's walk everywhere. Like I said, it was only like 70 dirhams, $7 US. Hey, handsome.
Hi.
How you doing? Take a, want to lead the way or? Left. Let's get lost in Essaouira. Justin, I don't want to admit I'm having fun, but I'm having fun. I am a piece of shit, dude. I'm sorry. I'm such a shitty friend.
Doing fun shit.
Dude, are we gonna end up in the hood again? Like the other day? Take a right? Yeah, let's take a right. We got bikes. At least we'll get away quicker. Main road right here. Take a right. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah, we're definitely away from, a little ways from the Riyadh, Medina, for sure. Ready? Ready? Let's go! Woo! Hey! He was like, wait, I got this. Rights, lefts, straights, circles. Hey, man. Morocco, baby. #1. Morocco Coco. Hey, man. How you doing? Probably right. Yeah. Looks like a bunch of schools or something. Middle school or high schooler over there. Oh yeah, there's the beach. Look at that. Left. So this is a nice beach, very clean beach. Horses, camel rides, food.
Kite surfing, I get how to do it.
Yeah, surfing and shit. Bathrooms cost two dirham to use. Oh man, here we go. Okay. Some hotels along the beach strip. This one looks pretty fancy. Wanna go over here? Right on the thing? Bike path, walk path, whatever you want to call it. Look at that, guys. I think you can rent those chairs out too. Yeah, from that dude over there. Yeah, from this white guy over here. Sir, how much for the beach chairs? 50 dirham? Good. Go.
You 70 dirham.
Shit. Bad price, bad price. No like price.
200 dirham. 600 dirham. And technically you can counter bargain it.
Yeah, just raise the price and like, what? And they get them confused, and then you drop it real low. When they're really confused, that's how you get them. How bad do you think we get destroyed?
You? There. Soccer? I don't play. That's where we got the bikes from here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Right down that road. Only 70 dirham. Guy was pretty nice, pretty chill. Yeah. All right, Justin. Go.
Hold on. It's crashing on my backside.
Got a little park over here, playground, trampolines. Wow, that's cool. Never seen that before. There's camels right over there, horses. I wonder how much it is. Little picture stop. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful, man.